Good morning, children, and I hope everybody is safe and just following the advisory issued by the UP government, central government, and our school. So I hope you are taking the precautions in this pandemic. So again, children, we teachers request you to please maintain social distancing, cover your face properly, wash your hand, and stay at home if it is not very important to move outside. And these are the common practices which you have to follow at home. And this is what you have to educate others also, your friends, your neighbor in your neighborhood. So you have to, it is your responsibility to spread the awareness. Okay, now we begin with the class. So children, last time what we have studied? We were studying while loop, right? So in while loop, what we have done till now? How many questions we have done? How many questions we have done while loop? Children, please tell me. Last question was what? Okay, Armstrong and palindrome also we have done. Okay, we have not done palindrome and automorphic. Okay, palindrome we have not done. Okay. So let us start with the question that we have to check if a given number is a palindrome number or not. So children, palindromic numbers are like this. If you reverse the number, you will get the same number, like 222, like 333, like 444, like 122, 33, 221. This is again a palindromic number. So this is what palindromic number. So any idea? If you people want to tell me that how to, what will be your approach, children, please tell. Yes, please tell what should be your approach and how you can get the reverse number. Yes, anybody? Yes, hurry up, children. Anybody? Gaurav Srivastav? Okay, just repeat then. No issues. We'll be doing it again. Oh, okay, you have sent it on chat box. Let us see that. Yes, this is how we can reverse the number. Yes, right. It's correct. So this is how we can reverse it. So see here, the name of the class we have made, and then so first of all, this main method, this is the number we have taken, and this is for the copy of it, and this is for the reverse of the number, and this is for the extraction of digits. So now here enter number, and num we have got, which is children, this is the scanner class we need, that is, so we need to create the object of the scanner class. Okay, so here after that, when we have entered the number, immediately we need to make the duplicate copy of that, and now we have to reverse. So while number is more than 0, extract the digit like this, and this reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus a, and num is equals to num upon 10, and here we can print the reverse number rev. So children, if you execute this, you will see that if it is 123, the reverse is 321. So if anybody is having any doubt, please tell. So please tell if you have any doubt. So I'm just telling you how to reverse. The number is 123, children. So while this number is more than 0, so first of all, num mod 10, you will get 3, and rev is 0, so it is 0 into 10 plus 3. So that is 3, and after that this number will get reduced by 10, divided by 10. So what will happen? This 3 will get eliminated, and now this time you will get 2. So further, this is 3 into 10 plus 2, that is 32, and further this 2 also will get eliminated, and further it is 32 into 10 plus 1, so it becomes 321. Initially the number was 123, now it is 321, the number got reversed. So any problem, then tell. Class 9th, if you have any issues, any doubt how to reverse the number, please tell. Any doubt, children? Please respond. Yes, Arima Rana, Aditya Jain, Navsatya Singh, Khushali, any doubt? Kriti Sinha, but any doubt, Kriti? Okay. So after you have reversed the number, what you need to do? You need to compare it with the original one. And where is the original number? The original number is within the variable copy. You cannot write rev is equals to num, because num has been reduced to 0. So reverse contains the reverse of that number, but num is 0, so you cannot write this. So here what to do? Here you need to write copy of that. And after that what to do is just run this code. So here the number is 121. You can see that it is palindrome. And here the number is 444. It is palindrome. If the number is 122, the reverse of that is 221. So that's why it is not palindrome. So children, if you have any doubt, then please tell. So this is all about palindrome. You need to reverse the number, and after that you need to just reverse that number. You need to compare the with the original one, and after that, if the given condition is true, the number is said to be palindrome, otherwise it is not. Okay, now next question. So automorphic also we have done, children. Okay. Okay, now one more question we are going to do to check if a given number is a rep unit number. Rep unit number. So what is a rep unit number? Rep unit number is the number whose all the digits are 1. Rep unit number is the number whose all the digits are 1. So how to do that? No, sorry. If any digit is 0, then it will not work. If any digit is 0 and one of the digit is 2, then there will be a problem. So anybody? Yes. We need to have one variable p, and here also we can have the copy of that. Why copy of that? Because in case if we need the number again, then we must be needing the copy of that. So it is what? And here what to do is enter number, that is ss.nextInt, and children, initially we have got p equals to 1 because as we have to multiply. Then what to do is, while num is more than 0, till it is the case a is equals to num mod 10 and p is equals to p into a, and num is equals to num by 10. So after this whole process, if you check if p is 1, the number is a rep unit number. Else the number is not rep unit number. This is what the case. So if you people have any confusion, any doubt, then please tell. So here, if the number is 111, it is a rep unit number. If the number is 2111, it is not a rep unit number because one of the digit is 2. So I hope it is clear, children. Class 9th. Is it clear or not? Okay, now one more question we are going to do is suppose, yes, special number. So what is a special number, children? If you consider the number 145, and if you find the factorial of every digit. Factorial of 1 plus factorial of 4 plus factorial of 5. It will be 1 plus 24 plus 120. If it is the case, it is a special number. And I hope that you all can find the factorial of any. You all are familiar with this factorial process? Any doubt, children? Any doubt in finding the factorial? But a few things you have to be very careful in this. So children, here this is what we have taken, and here it is num, and here it is sum. This is for the extraction of the digits, this is for the copy, and this is for the factorial. For the factorial of any digit, you need to have one variable which is f, and the initial value of this variable f is 1. Now what to do? Scanner, new scanner, and here enter number, so that is num, that is num. We have got this, and at the same time we have made the duplicate copy of this. Now what to do is, while num is more than 0, extract the digit. So children, the factorial of this digit a you have to find out. The factorial of this digit a you have to find out. And how to find out? Just make f is equals to 1, because every time you have to make f is equals to 1. Every time you have to make f is equals to 1, and for that you need to execute a loop from 1 to a and j plus plus, and here you have to write like this: f is equals to f into j. So when this loop terminates, you will have the factorial of a. Don't forget to write this statement, because every time you will get a separate digit, and for finding the product you have to again reinitialize f is equals to 1. That's why it must be here only. It is very important. If you forget to write this statement, your proper factorial will not come. And after you have got the factorial, it is sum is equals to sum plus f. So you are calculating the sum of the factorial, and after that you have to write sum is equals to num by 10. So this is what we have done. And now after that, what to do is, if sum matches with the copy of the number, here you can write the number is special, and else the number is not special. Else the number is not special. This is what you have to do. So children, if any doubt, if any confusion, if any problem, you can ask. It is 145. It is a special number. So here, if it is number is something else, it is 123, the number is not special. So here one of the important thing is that this factorial process and this initialization, because you know how to extract that digit, you know how to reduce the number. So what is the difference between this program and the previous one is that factorial and the use of this variable f. So if again you people have any doubt, then please ask. Class 9th, any doubt? Ujjwal Pandit, Arima Raina, Maitri Gupta, Jayavardhan Goyal, Garima, Gaurav Srivastav, Anuj Vijesh, Shaurya Singh, Akshat Pandey. Okay. Now children, one more thing. Had we earlier done that finding the smallest and largest digit of the number? But had we done this earlier? No, we have not done. Okay, so let us do this. So program to find the smallest and largest digit of the number. So this is a small large digit. And here it is main method int num. This is for a small, this is for the large, and here we don't need to make the copy. Even if you are making, then it's okay. Scanner class. And what to do is enter number, that is num, and here you need to make the duplicate copy of that. Now children, here what to do is while num is more than 0, extract the digit, and just write few conditions which are very important. And these conditions are if small is more than a and if large is less than a, then large is equals to a. And here you need to write num is equals to num by 10. So here after that, the smallest digit is small, the largest digit is large. This is what we have to do. Actually children, the logic here is that if any digit which comes after extraction, if that digit is larger than this large variable, then definitely that digit is going to replace that large. So for example, suppose earlier in large we are having 2 and the extracted digit is 9. So if 9 is more than 2, simply large will become 9. And next time if we are getting the digit at 7, and if 7 is more than 9, no, nothing will happen. But if large is 7 and digit is 8, So 8 is more than 7, so definitely this large will become 8. Children, it is large and it is the extracted digit A. So if large is 9, if A is 9 and large is 2, definitely it will replace. If large is 9 and digit is 7, so it is not going to replace. But if large is 7 and digit is 8, it is going to replace. So these are the things you have to consider. In a similar way, if a small is more than A, then A is going to replace a small, because a small will definitely represent the smallest digit. Any issue? So let us execute this. Suppose the number is 123, you can see that the smallest digit is 0 and the largest digit is 3. So largest is okay, it's fine, but the smallest is 0 and 0 you have not entered. So why this problem is? This problem is just because initially smallest is 0. So 0 will never more than any other digit which is a positive integer. So 0 cannot be more than any other positive integer. That's why it is reflecting that the smallest is 0 even if you have not entered 0 within the number. So what to do? Here what to do is just write a small is equals to large is equals to num mod 10. So what I have done, I have assumed that the last digit is the small and large. Children, actually, why this statement I am writing? I am assuming that this one of the digit, I have considered that it is the smallest and largest at the same time. You need to assume that. You need to assume that one of the digit must be smaller and larger. Suppose here I have assumed here. Here I have assumed that a smaller initially is 3 and larger initially is 3. So when I have extracted 2, smaller is more than 2, so this smaller becomes 2. And further, smaller is more than 1, so smaller becomes 2. And here, this 3 is not smaller than 3, this 3 is not smaller than 2, this 3 is not smaller than 1, that's why large will remain 3. That's why the answer is smallest is 1, largest is 3. I hope it's clear. Children, is it clear or not? So any problem, class 9th, then please tell. Any problem, any issues? Class 9th. So today we have done that special number, we have done palindrome, and one more question we have done, that was yes children, that was rep unit number. Definitely I will send. Okay children, now I am giving you people one question, and that question is WAP to check if all the digits of the number are same. This is for you people, and you have to try your own. You have to check if all the digits are same. So children, in that case, you have to assume a flag variable there, and flag variable is sometimes needed just to change the status. I will explain you children. I am posting the link of Google Form so that you can mark your attendance. So before that, I am just telling you what is a status variable. Children, a status variable, suppose any variable is initially is 0 and after some time, suppose it changes to 1. It simply means that this variable changed just because of any situation. So if you want to check if that situation earlier happened or not, you need to change the status variable. So you can use status variable in such cases. So this is a simple hint, but I want you people to try yourself. And if you are not able to, yes, wait. Google Form is opening, Jayavardhan. It is okay. Okay. Huh? So no issues. Those who have filled it, please leave out. Others, please